Hello guys, so today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how do you sign up on Namecheap. So let's get into the video. So open your browser and go to namecheap.com. So once you get to namecheap.com, so you're on the home page. So here we can start the sign up process. So there will be an option on your top here, sign up. So click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, it's going to ask you for some basic details of you. So create an username, so provide an username that you will be using for this account. So just create one, and then also create a password. So just create a password. Okay, let me do that. So I'm just creating one, and then your name, email address, and those informations, and you can check this box if you want, and then proceed to create account and continue. So click on it. So let's process. Okay, that's it. So now, all right, so now, okay, so account has been created. So that's pretty much it is. So this your account is now created and you're all good to use the website. So I'm pretty sure this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.